Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to show you really quick on how I make sure that I get asparagus all the way up till the end of October. That's coming up right now. So many of you know that I have UC 157F1 variety of asparagus right here in this bed between these two apple trees. They've been here for quite some time and they've always been extremely productive. Since the beginning, when I've planted this bed of asparagus, they were 2-year-old crowns, and I put in about 8 to 10 inches thick of wood chip mulching and buried seaweed directly from the ocean. Since then, I've experienced explosive growth from the asparagus, pulling spears bigger than my thumb in the first year of growth. But you can't just simply leave the asparagus there all year and let it fern out. It won't produce any more spears if you don't remove those consistently. So now at the end of May, I pruned it out, all the spears. Some of them are really thick. But I like to pull it out before the seeds turn red. That's when I like to pull it out directly. I don't cut them. I just grab the base of the asparagus and pull directly out of the crown. That's exactly what I do. Then what I'll be doing right now is fertilizing this with fish emulsion and seaweed extract. Deeply. At least 5 gallons worth of diluted solution, of course. And then you'll start seeing spears come up within probably less than a week. And 8 to 10 days I'll be eating new asparagus. And then when it ferns out again to this point, before it turns red, I'll pull it out again. All you have to do is be consistent with it and it'll keep producing. Like I said, it keeps producing all year almost. This year it started producing late January, I believe, all the way up till early April. Then I let it fern out. Now it's the end of May and I pulled all those ferns out of the ground. Then I'll create edible spears for about a month. And in the middle of July, towards the middle of July, I'll let it fern out again because it's the hot time of the year. And I want those ferns to cover the whole ground and shade out the whole ground so the crowns don't dry up. And then when it starts cooling off, end of August, I'm going to pull it all out and it'll spear out again. And it'll be edible spears all the way till the end of October. And then I'll leave it alone to let it go dormant. But that's what I do every year to ensure that I get 2 or 3 harvests of asparagus per year. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.